Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Nick Flowers, and this is my Getting Acquainted assignment. So, I am currently working at USD 309, which is Nickerson and South Hutchinson, where I'm in a building of 200 students and 30 total staff members, including secretaries, paraprofessionals, sped teachers, and janitorial staff. Our school, we are located in Hutchinson, Kansas, so we're actually in between our two communities that we host. Um, I've worked there now. This is my fifth year and my seventh year teaching overall. It's been pretty awesome to be in our district. I teach seventh grade social studies, so in Kansas, that is Kansas history and geography. Um, and I have earned degrees in, well, my bachelor's in education, along with a master's in instructional design, and I'm currently working on my master's in administration. I'm trying to get this finished up hopefully by the end of summer, and that would get me completed. And my two long-term goals currently, uh, I'm a head coach of high school wrestling, middle school football, and I also am an assistant baseball coach. Some of my long term goals, I would like to get into an administrative role, more on the athletic director and assistant principal side. I could see that being 5 years from now, possibly sooner. Um, my other long term goal, honestly, I'd like to lead my wrestling team to a state title. It's hard work to get them there. We've definitely changed the program from what it was when I got here, though. My short term goals, well, one, finish up the master's in administration. And then my second short term goal is to be able to complete the year and get everything done correctly and continue to help some students that we're trying to currently get on IEPs. Um, my greatest accomplishment as an educator, uh, honestly, it's fun getting to have students come back and tell how they remembered something. Last year, I got an email from a parent, and they were sitting around listening to some politics on TV, and the student was able to explain what was going on to his parents because of what I told them in seventh grade. And so that's fun to hear that situation. Um, I became an educator because I wanted to help students. I had great teachers, and they really motivated me, and I wanted to be able to do that for others. I make a difference by being there for my students constantly. I'm available from 7:15 till practice ends, which usually I get home around 6:30 every night. I put in a lot of hours and do pretty much anything I can to help any of my kids and any of the athletes in our district. My background knowledge of finance for the district, it's pretty limited. I took a class last semester which dealt with sporting events and bond issues. And I've worked some with that, but otherwise I'm very limited. As a head coach, I've had to do the finances for our program, obviously, and dealing with sponsorships and how money flow works and making sure that what we put out is definitely not what we're getting in. I want to have more in our account at the end of every season. Um, what I want to learn, very simple. I'm trying to learn more for our district. I want to be able to help whatever. I would like to stay where I'm at, but if I go somewhere else, I want to be prepared to help them the best I can to guide their district to success. My specific needs from this class, uh, just overall information. I'm very limited, like I said. So this is a course that's new for me. Thank you guys, and have a great weekend.